To sign out of your Netflix account on Rogers Ignite, start by having your Rogers Ignite streaming box ready. Press the Netflix button on your Rogers Ignite remote. This button is typically located on the remote and will launch the Netflix app. Once the Netflix app loads, navigate to the Account or Settings section. This is usually found in the Apps menu on the left side. In the Account or Settings menu, select Sign Out and confirm your choice. This will clear your account details from the device. Remember, Netflix accounts are tied to the Ignite box, so signing out on one TV won't affect others. The latest Rogers Ignite updates in 2025, especially on XI6 or XI7 models, make this process even faster. After signing out, relaunch the Netflix app on your Rogers Ignite. Enter the email and password for the new Netflix account you want to use. If the new account has multiple profiles, you can then select the correct profile from the app's home screen without needing to sign out again. Note that due to Netflix's crackdown on password sharing, ensure the new account isn't overused to avoid access issues. For managing multiple accounts, Rogers Ignite's Device Manager allows you to unlink inactive accounts, enhancing security. This streamlined process, enhanced by the Enhanced Streaming Hub firmware update rolled out in Q2 2025, reduces sign-out times significantly.